In this video, I will show you how to disable Discord overlay. So if you are gaming and the Discord overlay keeps popping up, then follow along with me as I show you how to turn this off in just seconds. To get started, what you want to do is open up Discord and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come down to the bottom left-hand corner and click onto the gear icon to go into your user settings. Once you're in your user settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and from here you want to scroll down towards the bottom where you're going to see a section called Activity Settings. In this section you're going to find the Game Overlay option, give that a click, and from here you're going to see at the top the option which says Enable Overlay. All you need to do is come to the right hand side, turn the switch off, and what you're going to want to do, it might come up with a feedback window like this, so you can send feedback to let Discord know why you're disabling overlay, or if not, just come and click skip at the bottom. Once you've done that, as you can see, the Discord overlay is now disabled. So that is how to disable Discord overlay. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.